our beginner's solo ballroom cha-cha routine number 2. This is practice routine number 2. Now, this actually is a slightly longer routine, but the steps in it individually are all from the beginner's syllabus. So whilst the memory might take a little bit more practice to remember everything in one go, don't worry about that too much, but the techniques are still at beginner's level. So if you need to, just pause the video and come back when you're ready to do other steps. Okay, so let's make a little start. I'll go slowly and I'll break it down into sections for you. Section 1, we use the rhythm in place. So I was marking time on the spot. So I was going on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. I then did a full basic with the movement. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 New Yorkers, 1 to each wall. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 spot turns to the left wall. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So section 1, if you will, is basics or marking time on the spot, a basic backwards and forwards, do as many of those as you want, a couple of New Yorkers and a couple of spot turns. So that's a really, really simple introduction for section 1. Section 2, Cuban breaks now. So I've got slow count and fast count. So I did slow count, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. I did it twice over. Now on the last one, I'm going to actually make a little pause and a transition to the other side. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Do it the other way. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? So on the second one, we don't transfer the weight, we take that pause in the centre and face the front. Then we sped up and we did traditional timing. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So Cuban breaks on slow or normal timing. You can choose and practice both. We then did a little forwards rock, left foot, and we did 3 cha-chas backwards, if you've got space. I did a back rock, and then I did 3 cha-chas forwards, depending on the space that you've got. If you don't have space to do it backwards and forwards, pivot yourselves around, rock, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. You can do it that way. Or you can do forwards rock here, rock, and cha-cha back, cha-cha back, cha-cha back here. Okay, practice them backwards and forwards a few times. So that's the next section, okay? Cuban breaks and some forwards and back travelling cha-chas. And now, the last section, section 3. Again, another little rhythm step. I was opening to the left on 2, keeping the feet in about just a little bit more than shoulder width, and then I was rocking on the next rhythm. So I went 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. So it's moving the hips in the figure of 8 or the Cuban action, but just over a couple of bars of timing, just to practice that, get the hips moving. And then I finished that off with a little cross behind, cha-cha slide, cross behind and a cha-cha slide. Okay, let's take all of that from the top, putting that all together. So, basic rhythm on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 New Yorkers. Cha, cha, cha. New Yorkers. Spot turn. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Cuban breaks slow. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, rocking backwards. Back, rock. Cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. Forwards, rock. Cha-cha 1, cha-cha 2, cha-cha 3. And then a little opening of the hips, either side depending on which foot you're on. Rock and cha-cha-cha, rock and cha-cha-cha. Little cross behind and slide, cross behind, cha-cha slide, cross behind, cha-cha slide. Don't be worried too much whether you go left or right first. Whichever foot you start on, it doesn't matter. If you pause and then restart on a different foot, again, it doesn't matter. These are just little simple exercises for you to practice. So we did New Yorkers, we did spot turns, we did Cuban breaks slowly, Cuban breaks on proper timing. We also did a little cross behind, a little cha-cha slide. Lots in there, and our 3 cha-chas forwards and back or across the room, depending on what space you've got. Guys, that was solo ballroom routine, solo cha-cha routine number 2. Lots of words there. So ballroom cha-cha, not our club style cha-cha. Remember, that's completely separate. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.